What's up, everybody? Eddie Dowd, Maryland real estate agent, back again with Brian Sachs, Maryland mortgage lender, as well as multiple other states. We're here to talk about a topic that you probably scratch your head a little bit about. You probably heard, oh, you need to have mortgage insurance, or the topic of mortgage insurance. What is that? Why do you need it? Why don't you need it? What is it? We're here to answer the questions. Brian, care to answer the questions of these folks that ask, hey, what's a mortgage insurance? Why do I need it? Do I have to have it?
Well, a lot of times, Eddie, I get clients that call me and thank me because they're getting mortgage insurance. And it's a big topic of confusion. So there is what's called mortgage life insurance. And it is the most expensive. It's what's called declining term insurance. It's the most expensive insurance you can get. Generally, what I recommend, and I'm not an insurance agent, but if you're buying a house if you have a $250,000 mortgage, it's probably a good idea for you to get a life insurance policy for $250. You can get term insurance or whole life. Talk to an insurance agent about it, but that's life insurance that protects you and your family in the event you die and covers the mortgage. It's called mortgage life insurance, and it's often confused with a different mortgage insurance. So I encourage you to get mortgage life insurance, but not the declining term kind that you're going to be bombarded with offers after you settle. Just call an insurance agent, get regular term or whole life or whatever you feel is best. Now, mortgage insurance is insurance that actually protects the lender in case you don't pay. On a conventional loan, if you put down 20%, there is no mortgage insurance. And if you put down 5%, 15%, 10%, it's a sliding scale, and it's based on your credit. It's based on your loan amounts, based on how much you're putting down. It's cheaper with 10% down than 5. It's cheaper with 15% down than 10. The beautiful thing about a conventional loan is once you have enough equity in the house, the lender is required to remove that mortgage insurance. I think a period of 2 years has to go by, and you have to have 22% equity, and the lender must remove it. You can also petition the lender to remove it sooner. And again, if you put 20% down, you don't have it at all. FHA also has a mortgage insurance. It's 1.75% financed in your loan and 0.55% each month, but it never goes away. It's always there on your loan. So if you're watching this and you have a house and you've had a FHA loan 7 to 10 years ago, you probably have enough equity to refinance and get rid of that mortgage insurance and switch to a conventional loan. It's a great idea. It's a great thing to do. VA also has a mortgage insurance. And again, all these insurances protect the lender in case you don't pay. That's really what they're for. VA has something called a funding fee. If you're a disabled vet, it's waived, but it could be 2 to 3% of your loan amount, depending, and it's financed in your loan. It doesn't go away either, right? But it's dependent on how you got your eligibility, whether it was reserves or active duty, whether you've used your eligibility before. But the point I think Eddie and I are trying to make is don't confuse mortgage life insurance that protects you if you die with regular mortgage insurance that protects us, the lender, in case you don't pay.
Exactly. So there's hopefully that clears up some cloudiness for you. We're always here to help, always here to answer questions when it comes to buying a home, when it comes to after buying the home, what the life of that looks like. Yeah, we'll be back again next week. Best way to reach me, 410-588-6536. How do they reach you, Brian?
443-471-8557.
And I know you guys are watching. I know you're expecting me to say this. Home funded. looking to buy a house, I know that you're watching. I know that you're watching every week, thinking about one day I'm gonna be a homeowner. One thing that's gonna get you closer is that Home Funded. It works as a GoFundMe page. We post the link below every week. Go ahead, sign up there, start contributing to your purchase of a home. Have your friends, have your family, have your coworkers, have anybody contribute there, and it will definitely help you go towards your purchase. And we contribute up to $2,000 as well. Look forward to talking to you guys soon. We'll be back again next week.